Hey, what's up, guys? Let's talk about dryer vents real quick. We had to replace the vent on this, and the best way to do this is when you get these vents, they actually come compressed, and they're only about 3 foot long, and then you can uncompress it before you put it on here. And you want to make sure that you do a long swoop motion so that the airflow can go through there with no sharp turns and no corners, which allow, like I said, the air to flow real smoothly and no debris to get caught up in there. Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about. If you can see down here, all the sweeping turns. All right. So don't do real sharp turns, and the two reasons, like I said, one is they'll stay on the hub, the connector, real easy, and they won't pop off if you do these nice long swoops, and the air flows a lot better, and there's a lot less chances of clogs happening. This is a customer, obviously, that we're doing this for, helping the lady out. But that's all that. Well, there's actually one more thing. Actually, these clamps that come with it are pretty much junk, and they don't really fit. Even when you expand them all the way out, they don't fit really over the hose. So we got regular hose clamps. They're 4.5 inch clamps. All right, and that'll keep. Don't use the plastic ones. The plastic ones are pretty much junk, and they have a lot of issues. They actually crack real easy, and they leak real easy. And this last thing you want is those things to be pouring out crap in your house. These you can actually crank down pretty good. Don't over tighten them like crazy, just enough to grab onto the actual hub. Now this is actually getting pretty warm here, obviously, and that's the reason why I don't recommend plastic. A lot of plastic, they stopped selling the plastic ones altogether, but hope that helps you guys out. All right, have a good one.